In this video, I'll show you how to create a payment link in HubSpot so you can easily collect payments from customers through a simple, shareable link. Payment links are useful for selling products, services, or collecting fees without needing a full website checkout system. To begin, sign in to your HubSpot account and use the search bar at the top to find payment links, then open the tool to view existing links. Next, click Create Payment Link and choose whether to start from scratch or use a template depending on your needs. Give your payment link a clear internal name and add a title and description that customers will see, making sure the details are accurate and easy to understand. Then add your line items such as products or services, including correct pricing, quantities, and any applicable taxes or fees, so the total is clear. After setting everything up, use the test mode link to review the checkout experience and ensure everything looks correct before going live. Once confirmed, you can share the payment link through email, chat, or your website to start collecting payments. Subscribe for more simple and practical tech tutorials.